Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your vehicle's water pump. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, a set of sockets, and a torque wrench for precise tightening. Always ensure the engine is completely cool to prevent burns. Next, carefully drain all the old coolant into a suitable container. Finally, for safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery before proceeding. Now, let's get to the pump itself. Begin by removing the serpentine drive belt. You'll need to release the tensioner pulley. Next, carefully detach any hoses or other components that are blocking your access. You might need to unbolt the power steering pump and gently move it out of the way, but try to keep its lines connected. Finally, remove the timing belt cover to reveal the timing belt. With access clear, it's time for the main event. Loosen and remove the bolts holding the old water pump. Gently pry the old pump away from the engine block, being prepared for any remaining coolant. Thoroughly clean the mounting surface to ensure a perfect seal for the new pump. Then, install your new water pump with a fresh gasket, tightening the bolts to approximately 25 foot-pounds using your torque wrench. You're almost done. Reinstall all the components you removed earlier, working in reverse order. Next, refill the cooling system with the correct type and amount of coolant, typically around 1.5 gallons. Bleed any air from the system by running the engine with the heater on high until the thermostat opens. Finally, carefully check for any leaks and ensure your engine maintains its proper operating temperature.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.